Hi friends, make this delicious and fiber-rich cocoa oats golden syrup with me. To make this recipe, I have used the golden syrup, easy to make cocoa oats, tropical granola packed with almonds, dried fruits, and the rest of those. And then finally, I have my strawberry, very juicy and tender and ripe and sweet. The first thing I'll be doing is opening the cocoa oats and then pouring into my bowl. Add some water and stir very well. I'm going to stir to ensure that the oats is soaked into the water. And the next thing I'll be doing will be to pop the oats into the microwave. So this takes about 2 to 3 minutes to get ready. Once I pop into the microwave and set my timer on, and voila, the oats is ready. Taking the oats out of the microwave, I'll stir properly and add some milk to taste. I love my evaporated milk. Once I've added my milk and then garnish with my tropical granola. This is fiber packed. This is natural sweetener. And the next thing I'll be doing will be to wash and cut my strawberries. Add my strawberries and breakfast is ready. This is delicious. This is simple steps to follow, easy to make and very high in fiber. You get full almost it takes you for a long time in the day before remembering to have another meal. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know what you'd like me to make or what recipe you'd like me to show you. Thanks guys for watching Meals with Aya. Bye.